Hey everyone! Today we're going to look at the 5 best camera phones on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Google Pixel 7. Diving into the realm of mobile marvels, the Google Pixel 7 emerges as a compelling choice, particularly for enchanting photographers with an innate craving for equilibrium. While it necessitates a modest surrender of manual reins, the absence of a Pro mode or the unavailability of 50MP RAW snapshots might not be the pinnacle of perfection. The Pixel 7's domain remains unparalleled within its price echelon. Google's artful mastery of photo processing persists as a quiet symphony, coaxing out intricate nuances from shadows, and as the expansive sensor orchestrates its magic with proximity captures, backgrounds elegantly dissolve into a painterly blur. Even the dimly lit scenarios succumb to the Pixel 7's enchantment, as it unerringly ushers luminance into the frame. Admittedly, the connoisseurs of pure photography might harbor reservations, yet from the lens of the common beholder, it unfailingly ticks all the camera-centric checkboxes. Number 2. Google Pixel 7 Pro. Unveiling the Pixel 7 Pro, a symphony of sophistication in the realm of camera phones, stands unrivaled within its price echelons, a truth as resounding as it is undeniable. It casts shadows upon the similarly priced iPhone 14, rendering it an understudy, and even challenges the lofty iPhone 14 Pro in select domains, emerging triumphant. While the 7 Pro's raw capture might not induce immediate awe, and purists might harbor reservations about Google's unique photo processing, the fusion of its camera prowess remains a marvel in the realm of spontaneous visual artistry. Aesthetically streamlined, its contours are an ode to sleekness, while its resplendent screen unfurls a canvas of immersive grandeur. The grit of its value echoes through time, fortified by an unswerving commitment to software evolution. Number 3. Apple iPhone 14. Approaching through the lens of photography, the iPhone 14 emerges as a formidable toolkit, particularly tailored for the aficionado seeking seamless capture and instant sharing of visually enchanting moments across the realms of social media, all without the need for intricate post-processing endeavors. Yet, for the more discerning photographer who finds solace in the realm of pixels and hues, a poignant void arises with the omission of the ability to harness the raw format, a conduit through which images metamorphose in the digital sanctums of Adobe Camera Raw, reflecting the artist's meticulous intent. Amidst the resplendence of the iPhone 14's Super Retina XDR display, images come to life with undeniable grandeur. Yet, should the pursuit demand a more intricate quest to unveil the veiled artifacts of noise or to delicately brush the canvas of a portrait, transferring to a broader tableau becomes a prudent choice. Number 4. Apple iPhone 14 Pro. Presenting itself as an embodiment of formidable prowess concealed within pocketable dimensions, the iPhone 14 Pro is a gravity-laden titan. Admittedly, its profile exhibits a certain thickness, yet its adeptly contained footprint, augmented by a symphony of camera virtuosity and computational might, forges an irresistible allure, a magnetic pull that resonates profoundly, particularly within the realm of avid photographers. Lamentably devoid of a Pro mode catering to the enthusiasts of manual photography, the iPhone 14 Pro gallantly compensates with its 48MP RAW imagery, a realm where excellence finds its echo. While the automatic mode's ballet of photo processing emerges as a crescendo, arguably rivaling the zenith of the phone realm, the omission of a periscope zoom, though a thorn, bears less weight in the context of smaller devices, where the desire for vast optical vistas finds a quieter abode. Number 5. Sony Xperia 1. Embracing the realm of smartphone videography with an unmatched ardor, the Sony Xperia 1 III unfurls as the ultimate selection, standing solitary in its kingdom, a resolute choice for the connoisseurs of moving imagery, as well as the devotees of cinematic splendor. Harnessing its prowess, this masterpiece ventures into the realm of 21:9 a canvas aligned with the opulence of cinema, inviting artists to weave their tales. With a virtuoso command over manual settings, the Xperia 1 III becomes a conduit for the creator's innermost visions, a realm where control is paramount. The allure deepens with a canvas painted in the hues of a pristine color profile, raw material primed for the artistry of post-processing within Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.